my kitchen. In today's video, we are going to be making smoothie bowls without the $500 blender. So I love smoothie bowls, like a lot. And I've always made them without the super expensive Vitamix blenders that all the Instagram influencers seem to have. So I'm going to show you guys how I make it two ways, fruit-based and acai-based. So if you have just fruit, you can make it, or with acai, you can make it as well. So the blender that I have is this Ninja, Nutra Ninja 1000 watts blender. I will have the exact one and the price on screen. I'm sure it's under $100. And I usually just use the clear attachment and then obviously the blender attachment. So I have like a base of mango on it. So this is the mango that I use. It's from Costco. And so this is going to be the base for our fruit smoothie. You can kind of see what's going on. So I'm just taking some mango, and this is going to be my base. And then optional, but I use frozen banana if you want it to have like some natural sweetness. Some natural sweetness, frozen banana is awesome. So I just put in a few because banana has a really strong taste, frozen or fresh. So I only put in about 4 of these and then I just use the rest. Additionally, I have some raspberries that I froze myself, not just like a frozen pack from somewhere. And I love putting raspberries in a smoothie, so I'm just breaking it up because if you don't have a super powerful blender, you need to make sure that you're breaking up your fruit in order for your blender to have an easier time blending. And then I have some frozen strawberries. Which I only have space to put in one, it seems like, so that's all we're gonna do today. For getting it to blend, you can't just blend frozen fruits like you can with like a super expensive blender. You have to have a fresh fruit as well, so for me, I'm using pears. Sometimes I use banana, other times I use like any fresh strawberries or raspberries or blueberries. It really just depends what I have on hand, and today I have a lot of pears in my house because we just got pears. So I'm just cutting this up and I'm going to be putting this into my blender and also eating some because pears are very good. So I'm just cutting my pears into cubes. And I'll show you all. Okay, there we go. So focused, and this is, I'm just putting this in my blender. And this will help blend your smoothie better because it gives your blender something that's not super solid to help work it together. This is how it looks like: mango, banana, raspberries, a single strawberry, which you can't see, and then pears on top. Then I usually use either grape juice or water or coconut water. It really just depends on what we have on hand. And today it's grape juice. So you're gonna put in about like 1/4 of a cup to start and see how it blends. Now the hard part is getting this in there, so you just kind of gotta wiggle it around until it's like at the top, and then just kind of press and then close. But you don't want it to close like unevenly where one side is closed and the other side is open. So you've gotta like try to put even pressure on all sides of the blender as you're closing, or just put your blender on top and then just spin it. So I'll demonstrate again. Dang, I closed this hard. So what I mean by that is literally just placing the blend tool on the top of it and then spinning the bottom. Does that make sense? I'm trying to show y'all, but it's easy to do like when it's on the bottom. So let me move this so you can see. So you just spin this and you're not moving this top part, but it got messed up. So you put it on top, you spin the bottom, and you're just trying to keep the top level. Oh my gosh, I did it once, but now that I'm trying to show y'all, it's not working. Okay, we finally got her. And now you're just going to attempt to do the first blend. Oh, the section itself, so I'm just gonna place this so y'all can see. So do that, and then it turns on, and then don't do too much, because if you do, you will get that thick consistency that we're looking for. So now before you start blending, you want to make sure all I'm gonna do, you see it still hasn't dropped because it's that thick. All I'm gonna do is get a spoon and stir it around and make sure that there's no lumps or anything, and that all the fruit pieces have been blended, and we're just left with a thick smoothie. Then I got my bowl. I have this in there. And you can start with smoothie bowls, the cheesies, granola, more fruit, cacao nuts, literally whatever you want. There's endless options for this. And while I'm making other smoothie bowl, all I'm going to do is put this in the freezer so that the sides don't melt, while we clean up this blender and make our acai bowl. So we moved over to the sink, and we're just going to clean this up. So since we're using still fruit, all I'm going to do is rinse it because it's that easy. I look so whitewashed, y'all. Use a hand towel to dry her as well. So now we're going to get into making the acai bowls. Some people say acai. I think it's supposed to be called acai. So the acai package that I use is from Trader Joe's. It is the Trader Joe's organic, unsweetened acai puree packets. I'm sure you can get them at other stores, but this is where I get mine. So it is, I believe, 8 ounces in this one thing. And all that is in here is acai, water, and some citric acid to stabilize it. And so you want to leave it out for a bit and then kind of break it in its package, so that, because we don't have expensive blenders here, it's important that your acai is just a little bit, your acai is just a little bit softened and not just like completely rock solid frozen. But you also don't want it to be to be too liquidy. Then once you got it done, now I'm just attempting to cut it open. Ooh. I don't know why these are so hard to open for me. It's probably because I'm opening it the wrong way, but hey, find a way to educate me, that would be awesome. And then I put in the acai into the bowl. And then you just have your acai in your blender. So, once you have your acai, now you can add in any other frozen food. So I'm going to add in the rest of my frozen raspberries, some frozen bananas because sweeten up. This acai is unsweetened, so if you want it to be sweet, add in some bananas. And I'm also going to add in some mango for color, really, just to kind of lighten it up a little bit. And I'm adding some frozen strawberries. And the same way we had a fresh fruit, we're also going to have a fresh fruit with our acai, which since I already have it pared out, I'm going to continue cutting some more. And put this pear in our blender. And this is our fresh fruit for this. Then our liquid, which again is grape juice, and we're going to add 1/4 cup to start. You can add more if needed, but to start, we want 1/4 cup. Then I'm just putting it on here. Again, twist the bottom. Because this is not super full, it's easy to twist on. If it is super full, you might need some extra help. Then we start it.
Try to kick us out. I could never really lie to you. So
way too trying not to hide the truth. I've been dreaming. Oh, it's not dropping. Never mind. It was just blending very nicely. Right here. And this is the final product. This is a little bit thinner than the other one, but yeah, that's how you make smoothie and apples without a super expensive blender. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you learned something. You know, the shaking and putting enough liquid but not too much, and also making sure you use fresh fruit along with the frozen fruit to help your blender out.
I've been dreaming, I've been scheming, I hoped you'd be here, I hate that